the next question in perimeter and area. See, the question is like this. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter, and if the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth. Also find the area. See, in this question, the perimeter of rectangular sheet, is given, that is 100 centimeter. So then length is given 35 centimeter. You have to find breadth of the rectangular sheet. Okay. So first we'll write what is given in the question. So here it is given perimeter. Perimeter of rectangular sheet is a 100 centimeter, and length is given. Length L is equal to 35 centimeter, and we need to find B. Breadth is a question mark. We don't know what is the breadth of a rectangular sheet. Clear? So now if you want, you can draw one rough diagram for understanding purpose. Clear? So in this, perimeter means adding all the length, isn't it? Adding all the sides, length of the sides. So first this is a length, breadth. Clear? So in this, length is given 35 centimeter and breadth is not given. We don't know what is the breadth of the rectangular sheet. And perimeter, total length is given. Total length is 100 centimeter, and next one side, only one side it is given 35 centimeter, that is length, and we don't know what is the breadth of a rectangle. So in this question they asked one more, that is area of the rectangular sheet. You would find area of a rectangular sheet. Clear? So we'll write A is equal to question mark, P is equal to 100 centimeter, and area we don't know. You would find the area. So to find area, you must know what is length and breadth of the rectangular sheet. Clear? So okay, we'll find now. First, by using perimeter of rectangular sheet, we can find the breadth. Okay. So what is the formula? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. So in this, 2 into length we know 35 centimeter plus breadth we don't know. What is breadth? Don't know. So B write as it is. So here perimeter is given. So write 100 centimeter as it is. Now we want to find breadth. So 35 centimeter plus B will remain as it is. Okay. This 2 is multiplied. So it will divide the another side. Okay. So it divides another side. 2 is multiplied, no? So if you bring to another side equal to another side, so it will divide. So now what is remaining? So this is remaining, right? So here you have to divide by 2. 100 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 5s are 10. So that means 50s are 2 50s are 100. So answer 50 centimeter is equal to 35 centimeter plus B. So you know how to find B. B will remain in the same place. This 35 you have to bring it to another side. So 35 will go to another side. Sign is plus. Plus will change into minus. So 50 minus 35, that is 15 centimeter. Is it correct? Yes. So B, breadth of the rectangular sheet is 15 centimeter. Breadth is 15, length is 35 centimeter. So now we can find what is the area of a rectangle. So what is the area of rectangle? So that is length into breadth. So by using formula we can find the area of rectangle. Clear? So A is equal to L into B. So what is L? L is 35 centimeter and breadth is 15 centimeter. So you have to multiply 35 into 15. If you multiply 35 into 15, we will get 5 5s are 25, 2 remaining, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17. Clear? 5 5s are 25, 2 remaining. So 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17. So 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3. So 5, 7 plus 5, that is 12. So here 5, 525. So that is what area of a rectangular sheet. So centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. E is equal to 525 centimeter square. Clear? Yes. Okay. The next question, that is the area of a square park is the same as of rectangular park. Area of square park, see how much area is there in a square park, same as the rectangular park, means area of the rectangular park. Okay, so same, how much space is there inside the square, same same area of space is there in the rectangular shape of park. Clear? So now we see what is given in the question. We'll see first. If the side of the square park is, okay, in this square, okay, you can write the side of the square park is given 60 centimeter. Okay, so if one side is 60 centimeter, then we can say that another remaining sides also 60, 60, 60. All sides are equal in square, so 60 centimeter each. Clear? So now in rectangle, the length of the rectangular park, length of the rectangle is given. So that is 90 centimeter. So this is the length of the rectangular park. So but we don't know what is the breadth of the rectangular park. Length is given, breadth is not given. So we have to find the breadth of the rectangular park. So now see in the question it is mentioned the area of square park is same as the rectangular park. So that means, see, can write a area of a square park is equal to area of a rectangular park. Okay, rectangular park. So now you know the formula, area of square park. Area of square park formula is a side into side, means we will represent A into A. Side will represent by A, small letter A. So A into A. So now area of rectangular park, area of rectangular formula is a length into breadth. Okay, length into breadth. So now see, substitute the values. A we know 60 centimeter. So 60 centimeter into 60 centimeter is equal to, length is given. So substitute here, in place of L we can write 90 centimeter, and B we don't know. So write B as it is. B write as it is. So now we want to find the value of B, means breadth of the rectangular park. Clear? So now what we have to do? So you have multiply these two, 60 into 60. So see, 2 zeros are there, write 2 zeros as it is. Now 6 6 are 36. So 60 into 60, 3600 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So is equal to 90 centimeter into B. So we want to find B. So B will remain in the same place. 3600 centimeter square divided by 90 centimeter, divided by 90 centimeter. So here centimeter and centimeter cancel. So 1 0 and 1 0 cancel, get cancel. Now 360 divided by 9. So 360 divided by 9. So 9 divides 360. So 9 ones are 9. 9 how much are 36? 9 4s are 36. Correct? So that means 1 0 is remaining. 9 zeros are 0. So answer 40 centimeter. So that is what breadth of the rectangular park. So here they asked to find breadth of the rectangular park. So length is given. So length into breadth we can find like this. Clear? So therefore breadth of the rectangular park is 40 centimeter. So only they asked to find breadth. Okay? Yes, thank you. Okay. The next question. See, a wire is in the shape of rectangle. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. Imagine. So now a wire is in the shape of rectangle. That is in the shape of rectangle. Its length is given. Length is how much? 40 centimeter. Length is 40 centimeter and breadth is given 22 centimeter. Okay. length and breadth of rectangular shape is given. So understood. Now you have to imagine the wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Okay, so this is what a rectangular shape. So now that rectangular length and breadth is given. So what is the length? We'll write first. Length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. 22 centimeter. Length is given, breadth is given. So now they said if the same wire, okay, now first we made one rectangular shape. So but same wire, if the same wire is rebent, again you have to rebent in the shape of a square. First it was rectangle, then again by using same wire you have to give a shape of a rectangle, square. Okay, first it was rectangle, then it will change into square shape. Okay, now what will be the measure of each sides? Okay, rectangle length and breadth is given, but that is same shape is changed into square. Now this is rectangle will change into square. Rectangle length and breadth is given, but sides of square is not given. You have to find out. Okay, so what is the sides of a square? Okay, now you have to find use perimeter formula. Why? Because say wire each length breadth is, we know, which area is not given. Okay, only perimeter is given. So perimeter we can by using perimeter formula we can find this answer. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to how much length of the wire is there. Same length of wire we are using to make a square also, isn't it? So same length of wire we made it rectangle shape. Now same wire we have to make square shape. So perimeter of square. Okay, by same wire first we made rectangle, again we rebent in the shape of square. So perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square is same. Here same way wire we are using to make rectangle and square. Clear? So now in this perimeter of rectangle formula we know that is 2 into length plus breadth. Now perimeter of square formula is 4 into A. A means a side. 4 into side. 4 sides. Clear? So now 2 into length is given. Length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. So 40 plus 22, that is 62 centimeter into 2. This 2. Here 2 into, if you want you can write in the bracket 2 into 62 centimeter is equal to 4 into A. We don't know what is side of the square. So you have to find out now. Clear? So 2 into 62. 2 into 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. So 124 centimeter is equal to 4 into A. 4 into A. Now we can find A. Therefore A is equal to 124 centimeter divided by 4. This is multiplied, right? 4 is multiplied to A. So it divides the another side. 4 how much? 124. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So again 4 1s are 4. So therefore A side of the square is 31 centimeter. Understood? So now there we'll see each side we got 31 centimeter of square. One more question they asked, also find which shape encloses more area. So area of rectangle, okay, rectangle or square, which shape will enclose more area. So we'll make a rectangle by using wire, isn't it? We'll make a rectangular shape and square shape. Now you have to find which area encloses, which figure encloses more area. So that we have to find out. So you know the formula, easily we can find area of rectangle and area of a square. Okay, first we'll find what is the area of a square. So side we got 31. So how to find area? Side into side. Formula is a side into side. So side is 31 centimeter into 31 centimeter. So what is 31 into 31 centimeter? Okay, we'll multiply now. 1 ones are 1, 1 3s are 3. So similarly 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So I got answer 1 6 9. Understood? You multiply and say the answer is correct or not. So I got 961 centimeters square. So that is area of a square. 961 centimeters square. So this is the area of a square. So now similarly we have to find what is the area of a rectangle. So we'll find area of a rectangle. So the formula is length into breadth. Area of rectangle formula, length into breadth. What is the length? Length is given, say 40 centimeter. So what is the breadth of the rectangle? 22 centimeter. So now if you multiply this, we'll get answer 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8 into 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8. So 0, 8, 8. So I got 880 centimeters square. Why? Because area centimeter into centimeter. So centimeter square. So the answer is 880 centimeter square. Understood? So now you can compare area of square and area of a rectangle. So which area encloses? So now which shape encloses more area? Which square is 961 and rectangle is 880 centimeters square. So therefore we can say that the shape of square encloses more area than rectangle. Is it correct? So area of a square, see, shape of square encloses more area 961 than rectangle. Understood? Yes. The next question, that is see, a door of length 2 meter and breadth is a length, door of length is 2 meter, breadth is 1 meter, is fitted in a wall. Okay. So now if you see, the length of the wall is given. So 4.5 meter and breadth is given 3.6 meter. See the given figure. So here in the textbook one figure is given. So in the question already the figure is given. So you can observe this figure and you can identify the shape of the wall and the shape of the door. Clear? So here if you observe, this is in the shape of, in the textbook it is given. So that is in the shape of a wall, is in the shape of rectangle. Okay, wall is in the shape of rectangle, and similarly this door is in the shape of a rectangle. So now they are asking to find the cost of whitewashing. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall. So they want to whitewash the wall. They have to whitewash the wall. Now if the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. So we will they want to whitewash only for wall, not to the door. Clear? So now you have to consider only this part, not door. Okay. So now, so if you consider only the wall shape, actually there is this much part is removed. Correct? So we cannot remove and we can find the answer. So what you have to do is first you have to consider the full wall, area of wall, and from that area of wall you have to subtract this much part, area of door. Clear? Whitewashing means that is area. Correct? So now you have to find what is the area of the wall. So how much space is there inside the room or inside the wall. So that we have to find out. So the cost is given. So 1 meter square of area, they will charge 20 rupees 20 per meter square. Per means 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter square they will charge 20 rupees to whitewash full area, full space of a wall is how much? That you have to find out. To find the cost, first we must know what is the area of that wall, isn't it? So now first you have to find the area of the wall. Okay, so now to find the area of the wall, we must know length and breadth. Whether it is given in the question, first to see the question, a door of length. Okay, first they given length of the door and breadth of the door. So okay, we'll find first area of a door. Door also is in the shape of rectangle. So you know the formula, area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Is it correct? So now length of the door is 2 meter and breadth of the door is 1 meter. So if I multiply 2 into 1, 2 meter into meter, meter square. So now I got area of door is 2 meter square, and we have to find out area of wall. Okay, this is area of door. Clear? That is given. The area of a door of length 2 meter, breadth is 1 meter. So first find area of a door. Okay. So next you have to find what is the area of the wall. So wall also is in the shape of rectangle. So you must use the area of rectangle formula. So what is that area of rectangle formula? Area is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. So length is given. See, area of the wall, length is 4.5 meter and breadth is given 3.6 meter, 3.6 meter. So if I multiply these two, I'll get, say, 6 5s are 30, 5 6 are 30, so 3 remaining, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3, 27. So into 3 5s are 15, 1 remaining, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So answer is 0. 7 plus 5, 12, 1 remaining, 5 plus 1, 6. So, see, here I got 1620, but it is given in decimal point. So, after decimal point 1 digit, here after decimal point 1 digit, total 2 digit you have to leave and put the decimal point. Okay. So, 16.20, 16.20. That is what? That is the area of wall. Area of wall. So 16.20 meter square. Now I got area of wall full, including this also, and area of door. This also we got it. Now while whitewashing, we will not include this door part, only remaining part will whitewash, isn't it? Yes. So now what you have to do is from full area of wall, from wall you have to subtract area of door. Clear? You have to subtract, you have to remove this door, then you have to whitewash. Clear? So therefore, okay, what I explained just now, say area of whitewashing the wall you want to find. So we have to remove this area of the door. So how to remove? Okay, what we need to find? We need to find area to be whitewashed. Area to be whitewashed. How much area to whitewash? Only this much area, not including door. So you have to remove door from the area of the wall. So area of wall minus from that area of wall means will include all, isn't it? So now finding area will include full space. So from that you have to subtract area of door. Okay, area of door. So now, so you know that area of wall. So this is area of wall. So first one we found, that is area of door, and second one, that is area of wall. Area of wall we got 16.20 meters square minus area of door is a 2 meter square. Clear? So 2 meters square. So now if you subtract, the answer will get, that is a area to be whitewashed. How much area is there to whitewash? Clear? So now from 16.20, if you subtract 2, so we'll get answer 14.20. Is it correct? So you know how to subtract decimal point. So 16.20 minus 2.00. If there is no digit after decimal point, you can write 0. Okay. So 0 right here. 2 minus 0, 2. 6 minus 4, 1. So 14.20. Only 14.20 meters square of area is to be whitewashed. Okay. So now you have to find what is the cost of whitewashing the wall. Clear? See children, so here it is given, if the rate of whitewashing the wall is 20 per meter square. That means they are saying for 1 meter square of area, they will charge 20 rupees. Okay, 1 meter square of area, they will charge like this. 1 meter square of area, they will charge 20 rupees. Okay, now what is the area of whitewashing the wall? So now we want to whitewash only this much area. That means 14.20 meter square of area we need to whitewash. Clear? So 1 meter square of area, they will charge 20 rupees. The question is to whitewash 14.20 meter square of area, what is the cost? That we don't know. So you have to cross multiply these two. Clear? So if you cross multiply this, then we can find the cost of whitewashing the wall. So now 14.20 meter square into rupees 20. So this into this divided by this into this means 1 meter square. So meter square and meter square cancel. Meter square and meter square cancel. So what is remaining? 14.20 into rupees 20. Okay, we'll multiply this. 14.20 into 20. 0, 0. 0 to the 0. 0 into 4, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Now 2 0 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. So answer 0 0 4 8 2. Now after decimal point, here 2 digits are there, so you have to leave 2 digit and put a decimal point. So I got the answer 284.00. So you can neglect that 0 zeros. After decimal point, if there is 0, you can neglect this. Okay. So answer is rupees 284. So the question is, what is the cost of whitewashing the wall? Okay. So what we have to do, first you have to find how much area is there. Okay, what is the area of the wall, you have to find out. Then we can find the cost of the whitewashing the wall. And they given one hint, for 1 meter square of area they will charge rupees 20. So that means that much area of the space, what is the cost? So cross multiplication and we can find the cost of whitewashing the wall. Clear? Yes.